Are you facing layoffs in your business? It can be a challenging and stressful time, but it's crucial to protect your business and brand during this process. Here are 5 essential steps to safeguard your business and brand during layoffs. Step 1. Communicate openly and transparently with your employees. Let them know the reasons behind the layoffs and provide them with as much support as possible. This will help maintain trust and minimize the impact on your brand reputation. Step 2. Retain key talent. Identify those employees who are valuable to your business and find ways to keep them on board. Offer incentives, like additional training or flexible work arrangements, to ensure their loyalty and commitment. Step 3. Update your communication channels. Modify your website, social media profiles, and marketing materials to reflect any changes in your workforce. This will showcase your adaptability and commitment to your customers. Step 4. Ensure consistent messaging. Train your remaining employees on how to deliver a consistent message about the layoffs. This will help avoid misunderstandings and maintain a positive perception of your business. Step 5. Monitor and address feedback and concerns. Listen to your customers and employees and address any issues or feedback promptly. This will demonstrate your commitment to continuous improvement and rebuilding a strong brand reputation. Remember, layoffs can have a significant impact on your business and brand, but by following these 5 essential steps, you can safeguard your business and maintain a positive image in the market. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights.